Robinhood is a completely out of stock trading. Currently, the app boasts 30 million users and is continuing to grow every day. Offers commission-free trading of stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. In the same Robinhood, you can trade cryptocurrency. Additional users pay zero balance in fees, and there are no account minimums. So the second one is called Moomoo. Moomoo is an ideal mobile trading app for both beginners and advanced investors alike. Similarly, it offers investment apps including commission-free trading and mineral fields. Third one is called Sophie Active Invest, a great choice for less experienced investors. And it also offers free trading of stocks and funds and crypto trading at the same time, and also offers free financial counseling to access to educational materials. Ginemy, third one, fourth one. So Ginemy is a cryptocurrency trading app that offers users access to buy cryptocurrencies. The app is complex of different platforms that gather for both beginners and more advanced investors. So, why NAB You Need a Budget is a functional personal finance app that organizes budget planning, digital money management, and financial goal settings. Truebill is a money management app designed for those who want to gather a deep understanding to their finances. It helps users use to know where their money is going and where it's coming from. The other one is called Acorn. Acorn is an investing app that offers straight change, savings, global, and cashback rewards, like something like OP. Yes, when you cash anything, you get cash rewards. So, guys, these are the top apps for investing.